Here's my Snap-on tool cart. I got my MSI gaming laptop on it. Anyhow, this is the Luminator, 2500 lumens, awesome light from Mac Tools. Check them out, they got that. And I recommend this blower. Let's fucking get all up in that. That's good. I got my baby Escalade. It holds all the customers' keys, you know, keep everything organized. Alright, so top drawer, all my sockets, deeps, shallows, all Snap-on, of course. Shallow and deep, half inch, swivels, 3/8 swivels, everything. Anything you need is gonna be in this drawer right here. Well, anything I need will be in this drawer. Okay. Yeah, check it. That's Polo, but that's steel toe. Anyhow, here's all my extensions. One ratchet's missing, I could already see that. It's probably in that Mercedes there. All Snap-on, of course. Snap-on, 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 same thing. Screwdrivers probably over there. More extensions, Snap-on. More screwdrivers, Snap-on. Obviously, you know my favorite company for tools. Gotta be Snap-on. Oh, look, more Snap-on. Ratcheting wrenches from 10 to 19. And from 3/8 to 3/4. And then you got same shit over here. Snap-on, Snap-on. Then we go in my favorite drawer. It's got all the good shit. So we start with the butane gas soldering kit, which is awesome. Got torch, baby torch, some fittings, electrical tape and such. Cord-free circuit tester. You are the ground on this one, so that's extra awesome. I got the picks by Mac. I believe so. Yeah, they're Mac picks. I could put the part numbers in the descriptions. These are all the batteries. I recommend anybody using these Mac guns. If you have this Mac gun, you want boost, this is boost. Upgrade the battery. It's a little more expensive battery, but it lasts a little longer, and the power you get out of it is consistent. It's not like this one. Like, you'll get good, these are good still, but if you want to feel the difference, you'll literally feel the difference between this one and this one, 60 volt. And then I have the slim too, right? But whatever. Mac die grinders, and my favorite ratchet and actual my whole setup is this one. This is the Super Beast 14.4. Amazing. I barely use this, only for exhaust stuff. You got extra batteries here. Got a Mac flashlight, Mac half-inch gun, the mini stubby one, very good size. Not really doing a review on the tools, but just showing you what I work with on a day-to-day and how I keep it organized. Then I got an extra set of pliers here, Blue Point, random little sockets. All types of adjustable wrenches, vice grips, specialty little clamp pliers, little set of pliers here, magnets. And then last drawer, I have when shit goes down, the drill out kit. Got some other kits here. What are these ones? Yeah, Torx. Something, another Mac kit there. And then my scanner. And that about concludes this